In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways Standard and Premium servers and set up the right option for your website. If you've ever clicked Publish in WordPress, saved a heavy plugin setting, or watched a checkout page hang on a loading spinner, then you already know why server performance matters. Inside Cloudways, one of the first big decisions you'll face when deploying a DigitalOcean server is whether to go with standard or premium hardware. The price difference is small, but the impact on real-world speed can be significant, especially for dynamic sites and online stores. To get started, open your preferred web browser, go to cloudways.com and sign in to your dashboard. Once the main control panel loads, head to the top right area and click Launch Now, or use Add Server if that's what you see. This opens the server setup screen where everything begins. Next, choose the application you want Cloudways to install for you. Open the Select Your Application dropdown and pick the option that matches your project. This could be WordPress, WooCommerce, or a custom PHP environment. This step is important because it tells Cloudways what software stack to provision automatically, saving you from doing the manual setup yourself. Now let's look at the first major difference between standard and premium: CPU performance. Standard servers use older shared vCPU hardware with lower clock speeds, which means single-threaded PHP tasks can take longer. Premium servers use newer Intel Xeon scalable processors with higher base and turbo frequencies, so backend operations feel faster and more responsive. The next key difference is storage. Standard servers use traditional SSD storage, while premium servers use NVMe SSDs. In practical terms, that means faster read and write performance, especially for database-heavy actions like publishing content, clearing cache, running backups, or processing store activity. This is often where users notice the biggest improvement. Memory also plays a major role. Standard servers use regular DDR4 RAM, while premium instances use faster accelerated memory running at 2933 MHz. If your site relies on Redis or Memcached, that faster memory can improve how quickly cached data is retrieved, helping with traffic spikes and repeat requests. When it's time to choose your plan, review the pricing carefully. For a simple business site or portfolio, the 1 GB premium server is often the better value. For a dynamic website or a smaller e-commerce store, the 2 GB 2-core premium tier is widely considered the sweet spot for back-end performance. Select the size you want, choose the data center closest to your audience, and click Launch Now. After deployment finishes, take a moment to review the dashboard. Confirm that your server name, memory, and storage allocations are correct, and that everything appears normal in the resource monitor. That final check helps make sure your setup is clean before you connect a live domain or install heavier themes and plugins. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.